In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix OneNote not letting me create a notebook. If you've encountered issues such as we were unable to create your notebook or OneNote cannot create a notebook, don't worry, let's troubleshoot this together with some effective steps. First, we need to check your internet connection. OneNote creates new cloud notebooks in OneDrive or SharePoint, which means an active internet connection is essential. To confirm your connection, open a web browser like Chrome or Firefox. Once open, try accessing a few websites. If the sites load successfully, you're good to go. However, if you find yourself offline, reconnect to your internet. This simple step is crucial because a stable connection allows OneNote to communicate with the cloud. After ensuring your internet is active, try creating the notebook again. Next up, let's verify that you are signed in. Open OneNote on your device. Right away, look for your profile picture, usually found in the upper right corner. Click on it to reveal your account details. Confirm that you are signed in with the correct Microsoft account where you want to store your notebook. If for any reason you're not signed in, or if you suspect an issue, sign out and then sign back in. This step is important because being logged into the correct account ensures that OneNote can save your notebooks properly. Now let's use a simple notebook name. Sometimes notebook creation fails if the name includes unsupported characters. For example, avoid using symbols like asterisk, hash, percentage, or even slashes. Instead, try a straightforward name such as test. Additionally, it's best to keep the name relatively short and simple. This is important because OneNote has specific naming conventions, and adhering to them can prevent errors during the creation process. Next, we need to check your OneDrive storage. If your OneDrive storage is full or if your account has been frozen, OneNote may not allow you to create new notebooks. Open OneDrive in your web browser and take a look at your available storage. If you find it's full, consider deleting unnecessary files to free up space. Alternatively, you can purchase additional storage if needed. Once you've managed your storage, try creating the notebook again. This step is vital because having enough space is essential for saving your new notebooks. Now let's create the notebook in OneNote for the web. If the desktop application isn't cooperating, this is a great alternative. Open a browser and go to OneNote for the web. Sign in with your Microsoft account. From there, create a new notebook directly in the web version. After that, open the desktop app and allow it to sync the new notebook. This helps determine whether the issue lies with the desktop app or your account. It's a useful workaround that can save you time. Next, we need to update OneNote. Open any Microsoft Office app such as Word or Excel. Once open, go to the File menu at the top left. Select Account from the sidebar. Here, look for Update options and click on it, then select Update Now. Once the update completes, restart OneNote. Keeping your software up to date is crucial because updates often include important fixes and improvements that can resolve existing issues. Finally, let's restart OneNote and your computer. Sometimes temporary application or authentication issues can prevent notebook creation. Therefore, it's a good idea to close OneNote completely, then restart your computer to refresh everything. Once your computer is back on, open OneNote again and try creating your notebook. This simple restart can often clear up persistent issues. If you receive error 0xe00000641, this usually indicates a few potential problems. The notebook location might not be available, or you may lack permission to create notebooks there. Additionally, check if the notebook name contains invalid characters or if the file path is too long. Lastly, ensure your OneDrive storage isn't full or that your account hasn't been frozen. Addressing these issues can help you successfully create your notebook.